Díobh cardja is me Brónagh agus Fuiseoige and Ciorcal fuála. This week we're going to be making a face mask. I'm just going to be doing it on the machine just for handiness for the video, but you can hand stitch it all if you don't have one. The first thing you do is take the long piece of fabric that you have in your pack, and if you measure 40 centimetres by 20 centimetres and cut it out, then you'll do 1 centimetre around each side and an extra centimetre on the edges and a line through the middle as well. So the first thing you do, you just fold it over the first line and the second line, and then just iron it. Ironing the sides as well. What you can do at this bit too, if you have a twist tie, like you get on a packet or a plug, if you put it into one of these, then it helps for securing it around your nose. So I'm just going to sew along here. And fold it in the middle. And what you do now is you fold it 3 times. You can pin it in place. You take the elastics that are in your pack and just secure them in. And then you just sew along the side here. if you just go over the elastic a few times to make sure it's secure. Do the same on this side. That's how you make your face mask. And with these ones, there's room in here where you can put a filter if you want to. And that's it.